sunshine. These are indeed conditions for the beautiful game. The backdrop here, picturesque, idyllic. No doubt one of the best days of the footballing calendar, and it has added to a really jovial, happy mood in the stands, helping to raise the level of sound by more than a few decibels. Shirt sleeve order, very much the dress code. One glance and you know where we are. It is one of the most recognisable arenas for the beautiful game in the world. And boy, does it add to the occasion. We have already started here. Kane. Assistant referee has his flag raised for offside. It's Insigne. Goes direct to the front line. Goes long. He's got options out wide. Set on rounding it off in fitting style, but he couldn't make it fit. Decent progress down the left. Throw. Juventus so far providing no real test at all for the goalkeeper. Kimmich did really well to intervene and dispel the growing danger. Kane! Oh, that is rather wayward. Okay, it's come to nothing, but it's a warning of further threat on the break. Bernardo Silva, Kane goes for goal! That's caused a worry or two. That's a little unfortunate. He had a lot of people worried about him. He's made sure that that won't get through. Maradona. Now it's Raul Garcia. To the keeper and go again. Really has the confidence and skill to be able to hold the ball up like that until support arrives a little sooner. Just maybe there he overdid it slightly. Should have released it because support was arriving quickly. It's half time, so the other team has broken through. Just the game up to now. Balls at the stage, but certainly not devoid of action. It's 0-0 here at half time. Gets underway. Juventus playing well with lots of opportunities and plenty positives to take from the first half. Despite this scoreline, converting chances would make a world of difference for them. Maradona. Kimmich. Good take, and it's clean! That is only a man who's already huge reputation. We're obviously hoping for an early second half boost, but there are a few who truly make it happen. This is a very welcome tournament. And that is about as cool as they come. He picked his spot expertly. Now that's what I call finishing, right in the corner. He knew instinctively he hit the square and didn't need to waste any time weighing things up. That's a cracking goal. Deadlock broken, it's 1-0. Listen, when it comes to goals, Peter, in this team, he's always the #1 contender, and he's done it again. Bilbao get it back again. That's a foul, free kick's been given. Raul Garcia! Oh, surely that deserved better. It didn't quite come off on this occasion, but it only needs a gentle tweak. So far, Jim? Well, while the temptation's always there, Peter, I think it would be ill-advised of them to try settle for what they've got. It's clean! It's in! Two to the goal! They have breathing space! Looking back at that, that's how you play on the counter. Quick, precise, ruthless in the finish. I thought it was a stunning break. So here comes the substitution. Well, you have to feel a little for the player being taken off here. He's been made the scapegoat after that, but I guess something had to be done. I suppose he did need a little change. Juventus can have a couple of goals without reply. It's 2-0. At 1-0, this contest was still nicely poised, but now that it's gone to 2, mindsets are affected a lot more. Winning belief one way, and that losing belief the other. Giggs drives it forward. Raul Garcia gets it out to the wing. He's got away. Away from immediate danger. It's easy to say it, but difficult to stop it when runs in behind are being made like that. It's Benyat. Maradona. Play for the throw. Position to make that interception.